Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is turned off. So as you can see right now, when I try to make it, it is impossible because this feature is turned off. So when I double tap on the screen, after that I can easily do this, right? But if you want to get it on the dark screen, on the lock screen, you have to go for the settings, then tap on the biometrics and the security, choose the fingerprint, input your lock method, and then click right here to fingerprint always on. And after that, when we lock our device, we are able to scan our fingerprint when the screen is turned off. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!